Okay everybody, welcome to another Health X video. Now today's video I wanted to showcase these mobility handrails. Now these come with a fitting kit and these are adjustable here via Allen key at both ends if you want to remove the fittings and put some new ones on or extend them. These are extremely strong tubes. These will not bend, crease, snap, break or anything. I'm putting a lot of pressure here, and as long as it's fitted to the wall correctly, these will not bend, break or crease. They are very strong. You can fit these inside or outside. They're fully waterproof. They're not going to rust. You know, they'll just, the rain will come on, it'll go straight off. You know, when it's dry, these are not going to rust. You can see here, this is not even the material that could rust if you wanted it to. These are just great. You know, you could charge a lot more for these from a retailer, but say we make these ourselves. We're able to do them at such a good price for such a good quality piece here. You can see these are galvanized as well, so this is the strong points of it. These are very strong. So, you know, these are handmade in the UK. Any size you want, we can make it. These are made to order. This size is 1100 by 500 millimeters or 110 centimeters by 50, so 50 that way, 110 that way. These are all round brilliant. You're not going to need to buy another one of these for many years if you buy one from us at HealthX. Free delivery to the UK. You know, these are great handrails. They just do not bend. You know, what do you want out of a handrail? It doesn't rust, it doesn't bend, it doesn't scratch very easily. These are great. Don't miss out. Free delivery to the UK, made to order in the UK.